Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiera, and hello to all of my new subscribers. If you want to see how I created this blue and purple look for you guys, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my lid using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And now I'm just going to take my brush to dry down that concealer. For this look, I used the matte book by the Crayon case, and first I'm going to start off with this brown shade, just as a little transition shade between my brows and the first color I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to pack on this blue shade just above my crease. Now I'm using this lighter blue to help blend out that darker blue and to create a transition. To cut my crease, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer yet again, and I'm not doing a full cut crease. I'm just going, I guess about 3/4 of the way onto my lid, and then I'm going to blend out that concealer with my brush, like you guys saw me do in the beginning. And right now I'm just drying down that concealer so I can have some maneuverability when I put on the purple shade. Because I've noticed if you don't dry it down, it makes it really hard to get that eyeshadow to move around. Now I'm adding on that dark purple shade, and I'm kind of going to pack it on but also blend it in a little bit just to cover all aspects of the lid. Now that I have that purple up there, I just took a little bit more of that darker blue and brought it down, and I'm just blending it in with the purple so that there would be a smooth transition. Before I add on my glitter, I'm using my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just dabbing that all over the purple shade. That way I can add on my chunky glitter. Now for the glitter, I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush and I'm dipping it in a little bit of the glitter that I separated into the top of the lid, and I'm just dabbing it in all the places where I feel like I need to put glitter. I'm putting some of my LA Girl Pro Primer on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna blend it out. Right here, I'm just taking that same purple shade that I used before, and I'm adding it where I put that primer, and I'm gonna dab it on but also blend it out to the edge of my eye. And on my waterline, I'm using my NYX white eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a small wing liner. I don't want to do anything too dramatic since I've already added the glitter. And for my foundation today, I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I decided to mix it with the LA Girl Mixing Pigment, the orange one, just to see if it would kind of warm up my foundation a little bit more since my face is really red. And I guess I didn't use enough of it because the foundation still looks a little bit the same to me. So out of nowhere, my brush just started shedding like there is no tomorrow. But earlier, I did clean my brushes with that Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, and so I'm assuming that's what caused my brush to shed. But it's pretty cheap, so it is what it is. To highlight my face today, I'm using the Crayon Case highlighter. And this is my first time using this product, so using it with that type of applicator was a little bit weird to me, but I guess I'll just have to use it some more to get used to it. One thing I do like about this concealer, it is very full coverage and it also blends out very smooth. I am using the Crayon Case concealer, and I believe this shade is 21. And for me, this concealer was just not warm enough. It has a very ashy look to it. And so later you guys will see me going in with my Black Radiance contour stick to warm up my face for the contouring part, because this concealer was just not a good shade for me. So right here, like I said before, I'm just going over that contour again with this Black Radiance concealer stick because it's just a lot warmer for my skin tone and my undertones, and it just makes my face look a lot better. A little frustrated right here because I only had one beauty blender downstairs with me and I did not feel like going to get another one, and that ashy brown color was getting on my nose again, so I had to like bend and maneuver this beauty blender to try to get the empty spots to really just try to blend out that little bit of highlighter that I was trying to do. For this look, I also tried a new setting powder. This is the Fenty setting powder, I believe in the shade Honey. And I actually got this setting powder because I just wanted something that was a little bit more darker than the Sacha Buttercup setting powder or the Black Radiant setting powder. And I just felt like this was a better fit for me. And while I bake, I'm just going in with my NYX mascara before I put on my lashes. To bring my entire look together, I'm just going over my face with this MAC foundation. And now I'm just using my MAC Mineralized highlighter. The mink lashes that I'm wearing today are from my personal line, and I had a little bit of a difficult time putting them on. To finish up this look, I'm just going to line my lips with this brown liner just to keep the lipstick from running. And I'm just going to apply this MAC purple lipstick. If you love this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button and leave the comments down below.